Hi everyone, I'm Roy. Today we're going to explore NZECP 34/2001, the New Zealand Electrical Code of Practice for electrical safe distances. This code sets the minimum safe distances to be maintained around overhead electric lines, telecommunication lines, and support structures to protect people, property, vehicles, and mobile plant. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how to apply these safe distances in common real-world scenarios, especially when working near power lines. In this lesson, we'll focus on special limitations in NZECP 34. These include rules for excavation, building and fencing, and mobile plant operation near overhead electric lines. We'll walk through simple examples and use tables and diagrams from the code to guide safe practice. Before we dive in, let's clarify some key terms. A conductor is any wire or cable that carries electricity. Mobile plant refers to machines like cranes and irrigation booms that can move and operate near overhead lines. Safe distance is the minimum space you must maintain to avoid electric shock or damage. Let's start with excavation. If you plan to dig near a power pole or tower, written consent is often needed. For poles, you can dig up to 300 millimeters within 2.2 meters or 750 millimeters between 2.2 and 5 meters. For towers, the limits are 300 millimeters within 6 meters or 3 meters between 6 and 12 meters. These rules help prevent damage to the support structure and reduce the risk of shock. Next, conductive fences must never be attached to high voltage towers or poles. Fences should stay at least 2.2 meters away for voltages up to 50 kV and 5 meters away for anything above 66 kV. For buildings, keep 2 to 12 meters clear depending on the voltage and whether it's a pole or tower. Always check Table 1 for exact measurements. When using mobile plant like a crane or digger near overhead lines, the default safe distance is 4 meters. You can reduce this if you get written consent from the line owner. For example, you may be allowed within 1 meter of lines up to 66 kV or 0.15 meters for insulated low voltage lines. Never operate plant above conductors without consent, and warning signs must be visible to all operators. Use the code's tables and figures to quickly check distance rules. Table 1 gives minimum building and fence clearances. Table 6 shows reduced mobile plant distances with consent. Figures 1, 2, and 5 help visualize how to measure around poles, towers, and vehicles. To wrap up, always check your working distance from lines. Get consent for any work that comes close to limits. And most importantly, refer to the NZECP 34 tables and figures for guidance. Safety starts with distance, so let's keep everyone protected on site.